3D printing is an amazing technology, but beginners who just bought their first machine are sometimes faced with a multitude of challenges. If you're new to 3D printing, it can seem like there's a ton of information that discourages you. However, don't give up and join this niche. Hi, I'm Edoardo and these are my 5 essential tips before buying your new 3D printer. Tip number 1. Choose a 3D printer suitable for you. Maybe you are still deciding on which machine to buy as your new or maybe first 3D printer. Focus on user experience is essential when you're buying a 3D printer. You have probably seen the amount of manufacturers sell 3D printers at the same price range. You shouldn't buy a 3D printer only because it's manufacturer specs. What matters is user experience. Sometimes it might be really difficult to find the right one. Well, think about price ranges. If you find a 3D printer but you think that it's too expensive, probably you aren't ready to buy that one, and you should search on a cheaper price band lists. Try to find in-depth reviews of 3D printers and buy the most suitable one for you. Tip number 2. Find a good forum to engage in. Forums users are really helpful and they can be a great learning experience. A large part of my knowledge can be attributed to Thingiverse's members. 3D printing develops at a rapid rate, and keeping up to date with this will help you. 3dapps.com also is a great community where you can find the best answer to your 3D printing questions. Next, the tip number 3, find a good place where to put your printer. 3D printers can be noisy, bigger than others, and some material needed to be printed in enclosure. I'll speak about it in a moment. So you have to find the right place where to put your printer. Make sure that the room isn't damp and there's a bit of ventilation. All 3D printers vibrate, some more than others, so it might be a good idea to fasten the printer to the surface and place it under vibration support. For example, lamp from IKEA is a cheap good start. Tip number 4. Get a Digital Caliper. Some of them are really cheap and then can be purchased on Amazon or other stores. Remember that you can find product links in the description below. They are required to correctly measure filament, calibrate your printer and adjusting stuff. They really come in handy to measure things that you are trying to model too. The last tip. Be safe. You always need to be aware of safety when you're printing. Some parts of your printer can get hot and burns can occur if you're not careful. Some materials are more dangerous than others when they come to fume. For example, printing ABS need your printer placed in enclosure. However, all 3D printings should occur in a well-ventilated room to reduce any risk of harmful effects. I hope you find my tips helpful. For any question, please write me in the comments below and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!